I think we have a new adventure in store for today. It's going to be a little sketchy, but we're going to go hit the streets. There you go. This video might just be a lot of you because you're just doing so dang good all the time and too much of a little girl to get up front. Hey, I've got a plate. I am just having a nice Sunday evening ride. That's all I'm doing. Oncoming traffic? Jesus Christ. I win! I see you. That's a cop in the left lane. Now's the time when some sketchy crap happens and I just say my GoPro died, and now we're back. that's pretty much how it's gonna happen. Yeah. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Very short episode. I'm gonna get inside a garage. See you guys later.